Okay, I just completed an ICT Billet accessory kit relocation on a 5.3 on a 79 Firebird. Prior, the alternator would basically hit the hood. It's no good. Also, I had to run spacers, if you can see those spacers there. I'll probably be able to remove the spacers now. I had zero issues with the alternator. That's super easy. Same down here with the relocation bracket or the retentioner, no problem. Power steering pump is a pain in the butt. It's got a bolt on the back. I don't know if I can focus on it. That one. You cannot get a socket on it, and you cannot get like a full ratcheting wrench on it. So that one's a bit not fun. Only other complaint or maybe note is that power steering. Okay, so this came from an Avalanche, 02 Avalanche, that had apparently some weird year where it would allow hydro boost, and so there was like a 180 fitting on the back side. So there's two different lines for the 5.3 from a 2002, I guess, era. I assume it's probably a little bit larger than that just era. So you can get the non-hydro boost line and it fits perfectly. I don't think it would work with the hydro boost revision. See, this is the power steering pump off of hydro boost setup that doesn't use a hydro boost. It's kind of weird. It's got the pressure sensor and it's got basically like a 180 line. Okay, and so this piece probably would not fit with the ICT Billet kit. This sensor would, but I'm not sure about this bar. So I don't think many people would run a hydro boost on a swap anyways. But it's just good to know. Let's see here. What else can I say? This kit uses all truck components, and it supports the high amp alternator, and it uses belt number 5060730. Now I tried 725, it's too tight. So this is definitely fits perfectly with the tensioner, with a little bit of tension. I mean, enough tension without being too tight. Have to refangle some of the wiring. The hot box, if you will, or the 12-volt box, has a couple leads to it that I had to kind of run a new one. The other thing you'll have to extend is the alternator line, which is 2 lines. Should take, no time. But pretty really clean, nice ICT Billet swap kit, and I'm really excited to see the thing run.